here at the Pakistan Stock Exchange. I just arrived here in Karachi at the end of August as the new U.S. Consul General, and I am truly enjoying this vibrant city and the wonderful hospitality of the people here. In many ways, Karachi is the heart of the Pakistan economy. So I'm glad I was able to come here this morning early in my tenure to visit the Pakistan Stock Exchange. The United States and Pakistan enjoy a strong economic partnership, and one of my goals as the U.S. Consul General is to further strengthen our economic ties. Last year, the United States and Pakistan had about $7 billion in trade, and the United States was Pakistan's largest export market. The United States was also one of the largest sources of foreign investment here in Pakistan. U.S. companies stand out for their strong corporate citizenship. They are one of the largest employers here in Pakistan, paying a generous portion of taxes and carrying out a lot of wonderful corporate social responsibility programs. And I'm glad to see many of those U.S. companies are listed here on the Pakistan Stock Exchange. I hope to see that number grow as more U.S. companies come to Pakistan and establish operations. But I think there's enormous potential here to do more, to expand this partnership in a number of areas, from healthcare to waste management, information technology, clean energy, agriculture. The list goes on. But the key message is this: U.S. companies provide world-class products, unparalleled service, and long-lasting partnerships. And the United States is committed to our economic partnership with Pakistan. I'm really looking forward to working with all of you to strengthen our partnership, to learn how we can promote equitable, sustainable growth that benefits both of our nations. And with that, I just want to thank you again for this wonderful opportunity, and I wish all of you a prosperous day of trading. Thank you.